Do you recognize the emotion you are feeling? Can you manage those feelings without allowing them to swamp you? Can you motivate yourself to get the jobs done? Do you sense the emotions of others and respond effectively? If you answered yes to these questions, it's likely that you have developed some or all of the skills that form the basis of emotional intelligence. The term emotional intelligence was first coined by psychologists Meyer and Salovey in 1990. They refer to one's capacity to perceive, process, and regulate emotional information accurately and effectively, both with oneself and in others, and to use this information to guide one's thinking and actions and to influence those of others. Emotional intelligence can lead us on a path to a fulfilled and happy life by providing a framework through which to apply standards of intelligence to emotional responses and understand these responses. Emotional intelligence has various components: self awareness, self management, social awareness, relationship management, better teamwork, better workplace environment, easier adjustments, greater self control, and various others. Emotional intelligence describes a person's capacity and capability to manage and control their emotions, as well as the ability to control the emotions many a times of other people also. Emotionally intelligent people are able to identify what they are feeling, know how to interpret their emotions, regulate their emotions, and manage other people's emotions as well. While some people naturally have EQ, it is also a skill that can be practical and developed. Practicing emotionally intelligent behaviors helps our brain to adapt to making these behaviors automatic and take place of behaviors that are less helpful. Now, on the other hand, if we talk about artificial intelligence, it refers to the intelligence of not the machines but the humans. This is in contrast to the natural intelligence of humans and animals. With artificial intelligence, machines perform functions such as learning, planning, reasoning, and problem solving. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by the machines. It's probably the fastest growing in the world of technology and innovation. It gives the ability to the machines to recognize a human face, to move objects, to understand voice commands by humans, and to do many other tasks. We all have heard about Siri, Alexa, face recognition in mobile phones, etc. AI has significant use in healthcare. Companies are trying to develop technologies for quick diagnosis. It would operate on patients without human supervision, maybe. It's helpful in business. It saves time and effort. There's an application of robotic automation to human business tasks. Furthermore, machine learning algorithms also help in better serving customers. Chatbots provide immediate response and service to customers. AI can make education more important. It can discover the needs of the students. Then it can adopt according to their needs. AI tutors provide study help to the students. Also, it can automate grading, which results in saving a lot of time. AI looks all set to be the future of the world. Experts believe AI would certainly become a part and parcel of human life very soon. AI would completely change the way we view our world. With AI, the future seems to be very exciting. So much so that according to Harvard Business Review, there are just a lot of things machines can do better than human beings. But we should not be too proud to admit this. Many skilled jobs follow the same journal workflow. AI now has the capability to not only gather, analyze, and interpret the data, but also to develop an action plan to implement a solution. That as more and more artificial intelligence comes into play in the business environment, we must infuse at the same time our corporate leadership skills also. with corresponding amounts of emotional intelligence. This is exactly the theme of the sixth virtual youth talks to be streamed live on the Weaving Dreams YouTube channel. The theme is emotional intelligence versus artificial intelligence. We need to know which one do we really require. We need to know whether both are important for us or not. Therefore, we invite the participants to join us to discuss upon the theme emotional intelligence versus artificial intelligence. This would be streamed live on 5th of December, Saturday, 7:30 p.m. on the Weaving Dreams YouTube channel. You all are welcome to register for the same, to join us as the participants, and share your thoughts and viewpoints on this topic. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Don't forget to hit the like button.